Okay, today I'm going to bring you the ancient Chinese technique for recovery. I'm going to use these 2 cups. I have these cups as well, but I don't like these big cups. I prefer to use these small ones. I would recommend buying a bunch of small cups and not just 2. I'm going to do these, as you see I have a bunch already on me, but I'm going to do these right here and right here. Okay. If I'm like knotted up, especially on my back here, and I put these on, when I take the first 2 off after like 10 minutes, it is a sense of relief. For tight muscles, it's supposed to increase blood flow as well, so I like to do that on the same day of a body part I worked out. I highly recommend the cupping after if you do it consistently. I noticed that the bruising goes away quicker. Again, you need to be drinking tons of water and sleeping good. Those are vital for recovery. Enough protein, carbs, fats for your testosterone, hormone levels. Alright, let's take these bitches off and I'll show you. So boom. My shoulders always get deep purple. You just kind of rub them out. Supposed to increase blood flow, and yeah, it just pulls the muscle, like helps relax it and release it, and then knot it up tight muscles. If you have any comments, drop them below. Like, comment, subscribe.